this DIY, we will be showing you how to make your own handmade Christmas gonk. You will need a wire hat frame, a hot glue gun, scissors, a polystyrene ball, a white 2-foot Christmas tree, a Christmas hat, wire lights and some Christmas foliage. Don't forget to check your wire lights before you begin. We have started by trimming the branches from the Christmas tree. These will be used to create the beard of your gonk. Now start sticking the branches to the bottom of your hat frame using the hot glue gun to keep them in place. Wrap your lights securely around the polystyrene ball. Once fully wrapped, glue the battery pack inside the hat frame. Position your hat over the top of the frame, ensuring that the frame is fully covered. The fun is in the finishing touches. We opted for a delicate forest green bow and a holly spring to give him a truly Nordic nod. Thank you for watching. Make sure to share the joy by sending us your version.